Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to execute or to run test class in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to start creating your test class and basically you can do them here from the setup menu and go to the developer console. So from there, you can start either running your new run and from there you can start running your test classes. So basically we can just click on a new suite and then you can start running your tests from there, or you can simply go and always run asynchronously and start running your tests. So you will need to first go and start creating some Apex class for your testing, and you will need just to define them, etc., etc. And from here you can find all your classes, and you will need just to go to test and click on a new run, and you will need just to choose your test classes, and you can start adding which test that you want exactly to execute. Another way to do it is by going to the setup. So from here you can go to setup and simply search for test execution. So from here I'm just going to search for Apex test execution, and from there you can start again, either go to do your tests from the developer console, or you can simply select your tests, and then you will be able to run them, and you will find all the details or the login and output and all, etc., all the results. And of course you can start choosing from the Apex test execution options, like to store only the aggregated code coverage, or to disable parallel Apex testing, which is the run asynchronously, and some other things. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.